So first we will make a folder for Java programs. Okay, where we can store the programs and we will copy the path. Okay, now try open VS Code. File, open folder, Java programs, select folder. Okay, now now press Ctrl Shift P, click on Java, create Java project, click on Mobile Tools, and we will select Java programs, select the project location. Okay, and we are giving it name my Java programs. Click enter. Okay, now click on src. So this is one app.java. So wait for few seconds to load it. When run and debug will come, you can try running the program. So run Java. So allow it. So it's printing hello world. Now we will try for another program. So make new file with the name main.java. Okay, press enter. Now we'll copy the program from here and try searching for how to run this program. Okay, so paste it. Now click on run. So it's showing 29 user prime number. So that's how we see how we use Java for VS Code. So if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe Focus Felix for more exciting contents. Press the bell icon. Thanks. Have a nice day.